Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the adware called SimpleProExtension. SimpleProExtension. This adware may be found when you access your Launchpad, and you will find this SimpleProExtension as a special application in your Mac. This program is considered as adware. It is spread with some free programs today, and also it may be installed as a result of misleading pop-up in your browser demanding that you install some version of Adobe Flash Player. Now, unfortunately, some people fail to notice that they are additionally suggested to install some other extra programs, so they may by mistake install SimpleProExtension software into their Macs. I'll show you how to remove this program from your Mac. First of all, go to your Finder. Then you go to Applications and look for this program called SimpleProExtension. You need to right-click on it and move it to trash. Luckily, it is in the trash. You may also empty the trash. However, another important step is that you go to your Safari, Preferences, and look for extensions, because it may be mentioned in the list of your Safari available extensions, so you will need to remove this extension from your Safari list. Afterwards, it's a good idea that you restart the Safari and check whether extension is still there. Most likely these manual steps will fix your problem. However, there might be some other issues with your Safari. For example, this WinOAC hijacker attacking your Mac Safari browser. I recommend that you refer to the help of Combo Cleaner software. The website is combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner works as an antivirus for your Mac. It not only removes malware and cleans your Mac, but additionally it helps to protect your Mac from malware installation attempts. I recommend you to download this program using this green download Combo Cleaner button, and then after you start it, make sure it is properly updated, because the update of the antivirus database is very important for proper detection of malware that may be installed and running in your Mac computer. So after the update is successfully performed, I recommend you to click on this Start Combo Scan button. If the video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye.